Hello tree lovers, I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters, and we are about to pull a giant royal palm tree out of the ground. So this is always fun to watch. This tree is about, I don't know, I'm going to say 60 to 70 feet tall. It's a royal palm. Royals are super valuable. You can see where we have strapped it up right there, and there she goes. We use a crane service with a gentleman who has been pulling palm trees out of the ground for me for, I don't know, 30 years anyhow. And we always work real well together. He knows what I'm doing, I know what he's doing, and we both trust each other immensely. So there it goes, it's coming out. There you go. Look at that. That is beautiful. Beautiful. That's how you pull a giant royal palm out of the ground. Just like that. So we'll lay it down and trim it, and then carry it to another part of this here yard. I'm talking like a hillbilly, and plant it. So I'm signing off. I'll come back on when we're putting it in the ground.